Hi, my name is Kristin Wilkinson. I'm a local real estate advisor here in Southwest Florida, sharing with you the top 5 things to do in Southwest Florida in February 2022. Number 5, on February 15th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., you can go to Shangri-la Springs in Bonita Springs and go to their tea party where their organic garden manager will take you through a sensory tour of the organic garden. You'll pick herbs and get your own tea together. You'll have a tea party and have some light fare. The tickets for this event are $30 a person and you will want to RSVP. Number 4 is the Naples Seafood and Music Festival located at the Italian American Club in North Naples. This event will be held on February 4th through the 6th. It'll be all weekend. You can go and have some seafood dishes prepared freshly for you. You can bring your lawn chair, listen to music, and shop their craft festival as well. Number 3 is the Red Sox Spring Training Open House for 2022. This is for all of you people from Massachusetts that are here visiting, vacationing, or living here full-time or in the off-season. This is Fenway South at JetBlue Stadium. They will have an open house. There's going to be activities there for kids and adults, and the admission is free. That will be on Saturday, February 19th. From 11 a.m. till 3 p.m. Number 2 is the Blues, Brews, and Barbecue Festival in Ave Maria. This will be located in the town center. This event is Saturday, February 19th from 12:30 to 5:30 p.m. It's a free event with entertainment, outdoor activities, food, vendors, and drink. And again, located in the Ave Maria Town Center in Naples, Florida. Number 1 is actually a restaurant. It's Shrimp Dock Bar and Grill located on Main Street on Fort Myers Beach. Throughout all of February, they're having state days, so you can meet up with other residents from your home state who, unbeknownst to you, now live or vacation in Southwest Florida. Starting on February 5th at 11 a.m., they'll be having their first state day of the month. That will be Minnesota Day, followed by Iowa Day on February 12th at 11 a.m., Ohio Day on Wednesday, February 16th at 11 a.m., Pennsylvania Day on Saturday, February 19th a.m., Wisconsin Day, February 23rd at 11 a.m., and finishing it out with Buffalo, New York Day on Saturday, February 26th at 11 a.m. Thanks for watching. If you plan on attending one of these events, let us know in the comments, or if you'd like to highlight one of your events next month, let us know. We look forward to seeing you next time.